Okay, bro, as I told you, we will focus now on practice before we move on to next topic. Okay, so I will send you now a program. I want you to do your best, okay, and don't get nervous if you feel you cannot do it, okay? I can help you, I can give you some hints,
Okay.
okay? Okay. Please share your screen with me. Okay, I sent you message now in, in chat. So please read the program carefully and loudly and then start executing. Create a new class and start executing. You still didn't close all these files?
Okay. Well, program.
Brother, you can hear me?
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Okay, yes, please. Open chat. Okay, read loudly the program and
Mm-hmm.
create a new class, start coding.
Okay. Use a while loop, write a program to calculate some numbers from 1 to 10.
Is it
1 to
easy?
10. It looks easy, yeah?
Okay, using while loop, write a program to calculate the sum of numbers between 1 to 10, from 1 to 10.
Okay. Hmm.
Good.
How do you do the automatic? What's the automatic button again?
Just hit enter first because I want you to start from a new line. Yes. Don't make it complicated. Okay? Good.
Mm-hmm.
Now just type MA, the first two letter for the word main is MA.
MA.
Yes,
Oh,
MA.
main.
Yeah. Now look, super easy,
Wow.
right?
Yeah, very, very good.
Yeah, don't make it complex for yourself. Now we are
Yeah, okay.
ready. We have class. Inside our class, we have the main function. Now inside the main function, I want you to like write the program to achieve our. We want while loop, and using while loop, we're gonna calculate the sum of numbers from 1 to 10.
Okay.
We already had enough practice on for loop. Now
Mm-hmm.
it's time to practice on while, and it's pretty easy. Don't worry.
1 equal. Mm, well, 1 equal.
Do you have a variable?
Well, 1 equals.
What is one? Like it's written in red because this compiler cannot identify what is one.
Mhm.
You typed one. What is one?
Well, 1 equals.
Yeah, what is
Oops.
one? Yeah, it's in red because it's
Yeah.
cannot identify what is one.
Oops. Uh,
We need a variable to store the value of the summation operation, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, good. So we need to create a variable.
Yeah.
And we should give a name to this variable.
All right. We'll
Yeah,
do int.
let's do it step by step. Yes, okay. We'll create a variable to store the value of the summation. Not like this. I don't need a variable to store the value of 1. And we call it 1. It's useless. Let's give it a meaningful name. So maybe we can call it sum. Yes, exactly. Okay, good.
Equal 1.
Exactly, yeah. True. Great. Now it's time for while loop. Now we have a variable. Okay, good. Now we should write a correct condition inside. Is this the right condition? Take a moment to think about it.
Sum is greater than.
We need sum to all numbers from 1 to 10. So we need to repeat this loop, okay, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 10.
Well, sum equals. Well, sum is greater than. Oh, under, yeah.
Right, yeah, great.
Less than 10.
No, 11, yes. 11 was correct.
11, yeah. Sum is.
Yeah, because it's less than, not less than or equal. So you used less than 11. So it will count until 10. And then when it reach 11, it will break. It will stop. Okay? That's not correct.
Oh, yeah. I remember.
Yeah. Great.
Sum is the sum.
Yeah. Okay, good. Like it will display the value of some variable. Okay, but we need to do some extra work to make this program functioning.
Well, sum is less than.
Because here value inside some variable didn't change. So this while loop will run forever. Because here sum equals to 1, right? Here on line number 4. And on line number 6, you check if value of sum is less than 11. So here 1 is less than 11. So this condition will come to be true. Okay, and every time this condition will be checked, it will return true. Because value of sum never change. It's always sum equal 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we need something to change this value of sum. We should give it a new value. And from its name, we should store the summation operation result inside this sum variable. So how we're gonna do it?
Okay. Hmm.
You tell me what we're gonna do. We should store a new value in sum. Now sum is 1.
Oh, okay. You calculate and some calculate.
Do you want to make some change in our program?
No, I was just looking
Like,
to see what there was. Hmm.
if I feel like I made a mistake, so we need to make a change to this program. You hear me? Brother, you hear me?
Yeah, we need to make a change, right?
Yeah, because now
Okay.
our logic is corrupted.
Oh,
We need to make a small change to make this program work.
small change.
Yeah, because here we cannot check the value of sum inside the condition of the while loop.
Can't check
Our
the
logic
value.
will get broken. Yes, because we need every time to increment this one by 1, not by bigger number.
Hmm.
So what is the change that we're gonna do?
You mean a
We
for
want
loop?
some now equal 1, next iteration will be 2, next will be 3. So every time I should increment only by 1. Okay,
It's a for loop. It's a for loop.
yeah, the same like for loop. But
You want a
now,
for loop?
yeah, but now if I store the sum value inside this sum, so 1 plus 1 equal 2, 2 plus 3 equal 5, 1 plus 2 equals 3. So
Okay. 1 plus 2 equals that. Okay. Equals 1. Interesting. Mm. Uh,
yeah, so here we need 2 variables.
2 values, right? 2 values.
Yes, one acting as index, only to count from 1 to 10. And the other one, okay, will be using it to store the result of submission.
So you want a for loop or?
No, I want to achieve the same goal, but using while loop, not for loop.
Oh, while loop. Okay,
Yeah,
while.
the same idea of for loop, but by
Oh, yeah.
using while loop. So for
While.
example, if I'm gonna create for loop, okay, what I'm gonna
Mhm.
do, we will say int I equals 0, for example.
Yeah, and
And
then
then if I less than 11, I plus plus, right?
yes.
Okay. And inside the for loop itself, I will do something to add 1 plus 1 or 1 plus 2, whatever, and then restore the value in some value. So now we're gonna do the same, but using while, not for loop.
Mhm.
You tell me. I'm telling you now. I'm giving you a hint. So we'll make two variables. One to store the value of submission, and another one will be acting as index, only to count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 10.
Well,
Okay? We will use the index inside the condition.
okay. Well, some is
Yeah.
like
Don't get nervous. Don't get nervous. Okay. We will just create new variable. Okay. And we will call it index. Okay, because as we agreed, we should give a meaningful name. So we'll call it index, for example. Okay. Do it, bro.
well 11. Okay, well this is 11 then.
Brother, don't care about 11. Just move with me step by step. I'm telling you, create a new variable, call it index. Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Right up
and
here then.
yes,
Three,
and
two, five.
give it value of 1, because we want to start with number. Okay. Yes. Cool.
Equal anything? Or
1, because we want to start from 1.
okay.
Okay. To 10. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good. Now value of sum, we still don't have any value, right?
Value of sum is 1, right?
So no, we didn't make any sum operation so far, right?
And sum equals 1, right?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you write it sum equal 1, but that is not correct. That's wrong.
Okay.
So we should fix this mistake. So by logic, I'm asking you, did we make any sum operation so far?
Nothing yet, no.
Nothing. So it should be 0,
Okay, 0.
not 1. Yes, exactly. Great.
Oh,
So now we have index equals to 1, because our program is telling us to start counting from 1 to 10. Okay. So our initial value is 1 and last index is 10. Okay. And every time we will increase this index by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
mhm.
Now sum is 0. We still didn't make any summation. So sum equals to 0. Good.
Good.
Okay. Now we're going to move to the while loop. The structure of while loop is correct, but we need to make some small changes. Here,
Okay.
inside the while condition, we check if sum less than 11. That's wrong. We should check the index, not the sum,
Mm,
because we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 using the index, not using the sum.
not using the sum, okay.
So we should remove sum and use index instead in the while loop. Yes. Yes. Great. Now index equal 1. We check if index less than 11, which is true. So we're going to execute this while loop body. We already made print statement to print the value of sum, which is great. Okay. Now we want to make the sum operation. How we're gonna do that? Sum now equals 0.
Yeah, it equals
We need
0.
to add, yeah, we need to add the summation. Okay. Of 1 and 0.
1 and 0, okay.
Yeah.
1
So
and
how
0.
we're gonna do this? Like hit a new line
Yeah, new
inside
line.
the while loop. And yes, be careful where you put your code in. Okay. Yes. Now we want to change the value of sum. We need to add value to sum. And actually we will add index, the value of index to the value of sum. How we're
Okay.
gonna do this?
Equals sum, index equals
Yes,
sum.
because our program is telling us to get the sum of all numbers from 1 to 10. So we need to do 0 plus 1. And then 1 plus 1 equals 2. And 2 plus 1 equals 3.
Wow. Okay.
1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6.
Okay. That's confusing. To 0 sum index.
All what we need to do is to add the value of index to the value inside sum. We will
Sorry.
add index to sum, not sum to index.
Index.
Please focus. We will add the value of index to the value of sum.
The index equals. Something like that.
Somehow, yes, but you should reverse.
Yeah, sum equals.
Now we didn't make any addition. No, it's wrong. We need to add the value inside sum to the value of index to the value of sum.
Okay, so sum is index. Sum that equals index. Okay. So what's 1 plus a only. So I need to make another. Sum equals.
Sum equals. We need to add the value of index to the existing value of sum.
Index equals sum, though. I mean, sum equals index.
Sum equal
It equals index. Okay, that's
index
sum equals
plus
nothing else.
Plus what?
Plus.
Focus. I'm telling you, we need to add the value of index to the existing value of sum. How we're gonna do this?
Okay, so sum equals index already. Sum equals index.
So here I say sum equal, okay?
Yeah.
Which means I'm giving a new value to the sum, right?
Yep.
After the equal sign, I need to add two values, right?
Yeah.
which is the old or the existing value of sum plus index. How you're gonna
Okay.
do it? Telling you.
Equals index
I
plus.
made it very clear.
Sum. Okay. So sum equals index. Okay. Plus. What am I plus 8?
Do you need help?
Maybe.
Brother, it's index plus sum, of course.
Index plus. Okay,
I don't know why you are confused.
Sum equals index.
Index plus sum.
Oh, index plus. Okay. That's confusing.
It's not
So
confusing. You're confused. I don't know why, but it's not confusing.
sum equals. Okay, sum equals index 1. Okay.
Yeah, I have old value of sum. I need to add something to this sum.
And then it's plus sum again.
So plus index.
Okay. Plus.
We have a better way to achieve this. Do you know what is it? Have you ever seen the plus equal sign? Plus equal?
Plus equal. Oh yeah, the plus. Yeah.
We already discussed this before.
Yeah, the plus equal, yeah.
Okay, now do it. Okay, just erase line number 10 and do it using plus equal sign.
Okay.
Do the same using plus equal.
Plus equals index plus sum.
No.
Okay.
No. Only index. What is the use of plus equal? It makes it shorter. Like instead of saying index plus sum, no, it's sum plus equal means I will just add index to the existing value of sum.
That makes sense, yeah.
It's even easier to understand. Put a semicolon, don't forget to put a semicolon. So now here, what is the value of sum? The old value.
The old value is 0.
0, and we add 1 to 0. So now the new value is 1. Right?
Yeah, it's 1 now, yeah.
Okay. Now what is the last step to make our program working?
Equals 0, 0, 1, 0 equal.
Remember that we check this condition on line number 8 if index is less than 11 or not, okay? In each iteration. So we need to change the value of index to. This value of index cannot be the same every time. That's another hint.
Okay, so going to change the value of index. Index.
Our program asking us to count from 1 to 10.
1 to 10. Okay.
So we already started our index based on this statement, program statement. Okay, we started index by 1. And it should end by 11. So how we're gonna reach? How we're gonna reach 10? Sorry, not 11, 10. How we're gonna reach 10?
Reach 10.
We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right?
Mm-hmm.
We will not jump from 1 to 10. No, we're gonna,
Yeah,
yeah,
like something like that.
yeah. Wow, good. Good, good, good.
Index plus plus, yeah.
Yeah, now we are done.
Okay, that's one. Okay.
Can you just like form like some enhancement? Like our program is working just fine. Only to make some enhancement, just copy line number 9,
Mm-hmm.
which you use to print the value of sum. Not all this. I'm just asking you to copy line number 9. Yes. And paste it outside of the while loop, after the while loop.
This is after right here, right?
Hit a new line, bro. I don't want you to write any code next to this curly bracket.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, good. Very good. Now run your program. I don't know what a mess you did with your IDE. Okay, good. Sum is 55, so our last value is 55. So here we had 0, so 0 plus 1 equal 1. So now new value of sum equal 1, and the index increased by 1. So index became 2. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the new value of sum equals 3. And then we will increment index by 1. So index will become 3 also. And then we will add 3 to 3. So it will become 6, and so on. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to make sure, you can get your own calculator. Just type 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 and get the
Okay.
result. Compare it. Is it equal to 55 or not?
Yeah, it is. Yep.
It's equal, right?
It is equal. Yeah.
Okay, so we did it. Congratulations.
Yeah, maybe I just didn't understand the instruction really. I don't know.
You should understand, like, I want you to solve all this on your own,
Yeah.
but I don't know why you're confused. You should be confident,
Mhm.
and it's easy.
Yeah.
Let's have one more program to do.
Okay.
Let me send.
Yeah. I have Can you hear me? Okay. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay. Is
So I sent you, yeah, I sent you a new program. Please copy, paste here in your ID. Then read loudly. Create a new
run
file.
program?
First, create a new file
User
or new Java
program
class.
into
Copy what I just sent to you. Copy and paste it in your new class. Read it loudly and then start executing. Leave this file. Create a new file. Create a new Java class. Call it timetable. Timetable. Okay, good. Copy the message I just sent. Copy, please, the message I sent.
Yeah, okay. Oops.
Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, please. Okay, just put a comment first. You know how to make a comment?
Yep.
Okay, good. Now paste. Oh, again, put a comment. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, put comment.
Put a comment. Yeah, paste. Oh. Copy. You need to copy the message one more time. Yeah, now paste and read. Yeah, read the problem statement loudly so we can all understand what we should do. Okay.
All right. Write a program that prompts the user to put a positive integer. It should then print the multiplication table, that number.
Yeah. So you should ask the user to enter any positive number. Okay. Then once the user enter this positive number, okay, you will display the multiplication table for that number. You know the multiplication table, right?
Yep.
Okay. Is this program easy or is it hard?
I can prompt, I know how to prompt the user, yes.
Okay. So, yeah, let's start doing it. Let's do it.
Okay.
It's so easy to get to a new line. No, I want this comment to be on top, okay? And then you get to a new line below the comment. It's very easy. No, just
Okay.
no. You're doing it very wrong. Please stop. Yes.
Okay.
The right way. No, the right way. What you did is unpreferable. Okay. Don't mess with these curly brackets because you can delete this curly bracket by mistake. So yeah, I don't want you to hit this curly bracket. Never ever, okay? The correct way or the preferred way to do this is to scroll until the end of the comment, okay?